morning, boys and girls. For the next 9 days, we are going to be observing the weather outside of our window. This is how you use your weather tracker journal. You click on the logo each day that will be posted in the slides, and you click on the link that will take you to our Google Classroom assignments. When you're in the Google Slides, each day it should open to your own specific weather tracker. There's 9 days of work. The first thing that you're going to do is to reach in the upper left-hand corner and click on the text box. When you click on the text box, you'll be able to write your name on your own journal. My name is Mrs. Smith. Then you'll click out of the box into the margin, and you can click your arrow key, or you can advance the slides on the side. Each day I want you to type the date. So today's date is the 12th. 1, 2, 12th. Which brother is that? The TH brother. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, and it's still 2020. Then advance the slide. You are going to use your mouse. This is Mrs. Smith's mouse spinning all around. And you are going to grab one of the blue boxes. And you're going to answer the question, what is the weather like outside today? You will click and drag the blue box over the temperature. You're going to have to decide, is it hot or cold? I was outside a little bit ago and it's still cold for Mrs. Smith. As we advance through the next 9 days, some of you may think that the weather is cold and some of you may think it's hot. It depends on what you like best, because Mr. Smith is always hot and Mrs. Smith is always cold, and it could be the same temperature outside, but we feel it differently. Then you're going to decide if it's sunny, windy, rainy, or cloudy. You may choose up to 2 more items. I'm going to say it is sunny, but I don't really feel it's windy. And I don't see a lot of clouds, and that's my choice. Some of you today might think that it's partly cloudy. Then you'll advance the slide. Remember, to advance the slide, you have to click out of the art. The next thing that you're going to do is we're going to graph the weather. Today, and I'm actually going to look out my window to make sure, yep, I still think that it is sunny. So I am going to click on the sunny box, and you'll notice that the icons come up and I can see the box around sunny, and I can click and grab and put it in the box. The weather today is sunny. And then we're going to graph. You're going to choose one of the color boxes on the left-hand side, and you are going to drag it over to the graph part. Now, if it was also partly cloudy, I could grab the partly cloudy, and graph that as well. Now, one thing about this is you are going to have to copy and paste your graph information each day. So you're going to have to make sure that this builds, because it won't build within your slideshow. You're going to have to make sure you take the data from one day to the next and then add more data. Now Mrs. Smith is clicking outside the slide, and you get to dress your bear for the day. So for me, it's a little cool. I'm going to give my bear by grabbing and clicking his sweater and his boots. And that is how I dress him for the day. When I click out, I'll see that tomorrow I'll start again. What's nice about this is you can keep adding the dates. So you would put the 12th, and then tomorrow is, you'll have to do that tomorrow. Moms and dads, at the bottom of the slides, I have put some additional directions that you can scroll down to see how some of the controls work. It's at the very bottom.